Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil 4 game lagging, freezing, low FPS, showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and here verify integrity of game file. So once your game files is verified, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. Now here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry. You simply have to click on allow another app. Click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game to the list over here. After adding the game, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Once you launch the game, and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and launch the game. But if the issue still continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If the issue still occurs, come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to resolve the problem. But if the issue continues again, come back, type -d3d11 and then launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. If the issue continues, come back, uncheck, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to check graphics settings. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download it, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. Now after you get setup successful message, close this and then restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and then check. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, you are suggested to check for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, here you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to first disable it or remove it, and after that try to launch the game. Hopefully this solution will surely help to resolve the problem and you can be into the game once again. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and see if this is working now. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder. Now select the game application. Now after you add the game to the list, here you have to select it. Click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Resident Evil 4 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts, launch Steam again and then reinstall Resident Evil 4 game, and after that click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.